yet. Hey guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent here. Yes, you
Just do it.
Okay. Hey guys, it's your girl Glam. Oh my god. Hey guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. And today we got another ponytail. This one is from Milky Way Quay, Drawstring Ponytail, and Lollipop. I see a lot of girls doing this one, so I was like, I want to try it or whatever. So this is how it came. And this was $15 on ebony.com. And I did get the color 1. So it is like a yaki texture, which is popping. I already slicked my hair down. If you guys want to see a video on that, I already did it. Just check the link in the description box so you guys can see that or whatever. So I'm about to take the wig out. It looks pretty long. I was scared it wasn't going to be long enough, but it looks pretty long right now. This is how the car. So yeah, it does have 2 clips in it and a drawstring. So you just clip it on and pull it tight and voila. So I'm gonna just clip it on. The first time I did it, it was pretty, oh god. The first time I put the drawstring thing on, I was using some cheap drawstring ponytail, and that one didn't work too good. So I'm gonna see how this one works. I keep hearing good things about this one, so I'm excited to see how it's gonna work. So I'm just gonna clip the back pin in, and then I'm gonna clip the front. Oh yes, y'all. Babe, you like my hair? Babe, look.
Ooh!
They're looking good, eh?
I like it.
Okay, y'all. Babe says she like it.
I like it.
You see this, honey? Tell my hair. It's not going nowhere.
Yes, Beyonce.
We're not going nowhere, y'all. So we not done yet, y'all. This piece right here, and wrap it around so it don't look too fake. Oof. And we is popping, honey. Good thing is we could wear it to the side or either way, and this thing is on. It's so secure. Yes, honey.
Won't have time, wait, I'm getting all this cream. I think she wanna ice me. I think to be your slime, then do your grimy.